Hi, this is Bettina with Cozy Ink Company. I have a very short video for you today. I just wanted to pop on and show you how to make these tassels. It can save you a lot of money. And another nice thing is that you can actually find thread that matches the cardstock that you have. So make it even better. Let me show you what you need. You need something to wrap the string around. I have used this glue, which works well. The circumference is around 4.5 inches, which is 11 centimeters. You also need tweezers like this. You need a glue dot to attach it to your project. And of course you need string. So this is an embroidery thread. And as you know, if you've been into that section of your local craft store, they come in all sorts of colors, so you should be able to find something you need. The last thing we need is something that you will find in your jewelry section. And I was just standing there staring until I found something I could use. And I was lucky enough to find these little brass tubes, and they are perfect for this project. You might be able to find some rings that you can squeeze flat, but just have a look, see what you can find. But these are really great, so I'm going to use these today. The first thing we need is to run this contrast colored thread over the glue like this. And I have found out that if I do wrap this around 12 times, then it will work through that tube. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I just cut it here. Then I take this colored thread, and if I can make these two ends go through, that's why I like to use tweezers. You might not need it, but I definitely do. Like this. So, very important that you're going to hold on to these two ends of the contrast colored thread. Then you will slide it off. Now, of course, mine is stuck here. Well, still a solution for everything. There we go. And now, when you have it like this, all you have to do is slide that little tube onto the thread. That's why you might have to experiment a little bit with how many rounds of thread you have. In my case, it's 12. So you might need less or more. So here we have it. Now it's secure. I can remove this. And actually, we're almost done. All we need to do is to trim this. I need this for a card. So I'm going to trim it to something like this. You can, of course, just trim this off as well. So here we have it, and the card I made looks like this, and I think it would just be a nice addition to put it on. And all I do is I take a glue dot. Usually the glue dots would be too big for this, so just see if you can mess it up a little bit like this. And you put it on your card, and you put the tassel on top. Make sure that you cover both the brass piece and the thread so that it's not going anywhere. And you hold it in place and you remove your paper piercer. And there you have it. Very simple, very easy to make, and I think it makes a big difference. It gives a little bit of life to this card. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like to see more videos, and definitely give me a like if you like what you saw. Thank you.